All right, welcome back to Panick Custom Shop. We have the final part to build the base in, fresh out of the mailbox today. Coming to us from Fernandina Beach, Florida. And Hoagland Custom. Made in the USA. Let's get a first look at our Hoagland Custom wiring harness that we're going to be installing in the showcase base. So let's see what all we have here. We have wiring diagram, little explanation from Jack about the phase reverse switch, which is fine. We'll be wiring that in. Nice business card from these guys. Check them out for your wiring harnesses. A little bit more literature from them. Now, let's take a look at what's actually here in our bubble wrap. We have our phase reverse switch, our three-way toggle switch, and our custom wiring harness. Man, this thing looks nice. All cloth wire. Everything labeled for our neck and our bridge. Nice tight, close wiring assembly. Nice solder work. Nice clean soldering. One other thing I want to show is look how long the shafts are on those pots. That is ideal. There's nothing worse than a little cheapo short shaft where you've only got about 1/4 of an inch of shaft to work with, putting it through the top of the guitar. Got plenty of room here with these guys. All right, and as I said the other day, we are operating in our shop here without AC at the moment, and right now it's about 94 degrees outside. The real feel is about 106, I believe. Inside of our shop it feels like about 120. So later on this evening, once everything cools off, we'll actually be out here in the shop and we're going to wire this in on the showcase base. Or maybe in the morning, bright and early, but we'll see. I'm not going to do it today, or not going to do it right now, I should say. Anyway, thanks for checking out the unboxing video for Hoagland Custom. I'll have their contact information in the video link, or in the links in the video description, along with the links to Panick Custom Shop, our website where you can check out the full showcase base project as well as our upcoming showcase bases. I'll have links to our Facebook page. Be sure to like and check out the Facebook page. I'll have a link to our merch shop. Go get some merch. That helps us out so much. Not everybody wants or can purchase a custom bass guitar from us, but most of you can go get a t-shirt or stickers or some leggings for your girlfriend or for yourself, or a hat, or all the cool stuff we have on there. Thanks again for checking us out. We'll see you guys on the next one.